NeoTech Process, where next-gen factories, robotics, and sci-fi engineering come to life. At extreme speeds, air becomes a wall, yet this facility forges machines that slice through.
Here, spectrum energy is caged into hearts of light.
Across a midnight canyon, a compact drone tears through darkness, its crystalline frame glowing with captured radiance.
This is not a battery or turbine. Only a pulsing core of compressed, living spectrum drives it.
This revolution in racing begins far from any track, beneath shimmering domes on a desert horizon. Inside, pure silica sand pours into fusion crucibles, melting with rare earths and metamaterials into a molten river.
Robotic forges draw this liquid glass into curved panels, where self-assembling nanoprisms freeze rainbows inside solid crystal.
The result is metaglass, transparent to us yet engineered to bend almost every meaningful wavelength of light. Graphene titanium lattices embrace each panel, embedding tiny faceted seeds that anchor and stabilize extreme electromagnetic densities. As autonomous cranes assemble the domes, their interiors transform into towering cathedrals of optics and precision machinery.
Walls bristle with adaptive micro-mirrors. Light enters through the metaglass shell, fractures into colors, then spirals inward along glittering corridors of beams.
Guided downward, the spectrum funnels into a buried core chamber, where magnetic fields twist beams into rotating columns. Quantum filters slice and sort each frequency, compressing them into layered, structured energy that defies ordinary intuition. At the chamber's heart awaits a spectrum cell scaffold, a hexagonal photonic cage suspended in chilled vacuum. Robotic injectors flood it with nanocapacitor suspension, billions of microscopic vaults ready to trap incoming radiance. When the dome's core aperture opens, compressed light pours inside like liquid fire, saturating every waiting cavity.
Pulsed magnetic fields braid infrared, visible, and ultraviolet bands into the lattice, assigning each a specialized role.
The crystal darkens to oil-slick black, veined with shifting color, becoming a living SpectraCore energy map. In vast assembly halls, robotic arms weave carbon nanotube filaments into ultralight skeletal frames stronger than steel. Over each frame, sprayers mist smart polymer vapor, lasers hardening it into a seamless, morphing aerodynamic skin. Inside the body, precision cutters carve spectral conduits, hollow waveguides that will carry shaped light to thrusters.
At each arm's tip, transparent phase blades form, their edges shimmering as quantum effects pre-thin the air ahead.
Beneath them, micro-thrusters and directional nozzles wait, ready to vent ionized gas for brutal, sideways maneuvers. When assembly finishes, robots lift a SpectraCore from its cradle and lower it into the drone's central cavity. Quantum couplers and regulators surround it, forming minimal physical contact, yet establishing an intricate command link of light. Deep underground, a test chamber holds the completed drone on a pedestal, encircled by dense sensor arrays.
A soft command sounds, and the SpectraCore awakens, veins of color igniting as energy floods spectral conduits.
Phase blades blur into halos, the drone lifting, proving itself a precision racing predator within tight meters. Beyond testing, oceanic sky tracks host swarms of SpectraCore Speed Drones, their refracted light trails painting the atmosphere. The same domes empower utility swarms, delivering medicine, mapping disasters, and watching storms without ever refueling. Future cities crown rooftops with concentration domes, feeding personal transport drones, silent sky taxis leaping effortlessly between towers.
Farther still, deep space probes sip sparse starlight through tuned spectrum cells, wandering indefinitely between
The SpectraCore Speed Drone becomes proof that light itself can be sculpted into engines of directed power. From desert domes to living cores to racing machines, humanity finally teaches ancient traveling light to race.
If you enjoy the video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more.